The spray bar has multiple adjustments. So we've aligned our tips earlier. We've got those laying to the right angle. We might want to adjust the height depending on our environment. So if we've got a lot of wind, I probably want to get a little bit lower so that I can have less influence of the wind over what I'm spraying. If I need a little bit more of a fogging, I can raise this up. So I can adjust it right here, very easy and nice, smooth adjustment. So typically we're going to be spraying about 16 to 18 inches off the ground. That's typically where we're going to be at. So there's conditions where I might want to have more of a fog effect. The spray bar is held on by these two clamps right here. So if you just loosen these two clamps, this bolt and this bolt and this bolt, I can rotate this bar backwards so my spray tips are spraying more back at an angle. So if I'm looking for more of a fogging effect because of the application that you want to do, it's easy to change this angle. If I've got a pretty strong wind, I want the bar down, and I might angle it slightly forward so I'm spraying just a little bit closer towards into the wind as I'm going forwards. So you've got adjustments for that. The angle this way or the spray bar up and down.